Most men think women choose based on feelings alone. They don't. Women are constantly reading men, fast, silently, and more deeply than most guys understand. Not just by what you say, but by how you look, how you carry yourself, how your life feels, and whether you seem like a man she can truly respect. And the mistake most men make? They spend years chasing women without first becoming the kind of man women naturally notice. So in this video, I'll break down 5 real ways women choose men, and the last one is where most men completely lose themselves. Let's get into it. She sees you before she knows you. The first truth is simple. Your appearance matters. Not because women are shallow, but because first impressions are real. Before she knows your personality, before she knows your values, before she knows whether you're loyal, disciplined, or ambitious, she sees you. Your face, your body, your posture, your grooming, your eyes, your energy. And in seconds, she already feels something. Now, this is where a lot of men give up too early. They think attraction is only about genetics. It's not. Because being attractive is not just about being born handsome, it's also about how well you present yourself. A man with average looks can still stand out if he looks sharp, clean, calm, and confident. And a naturally good-looking man can still look forgettable if he carries himself with no presence. Women notice signs of health, signs of self-respect, signs that you take your life seriously. That's why improving your appearance changes more than just how you look. It changes how people feel when they see you. So if you want better results, stop complaining and start upgrading. Build your body, fix your posture, dress with more intention, take care of your skin, smell good, move slower, speak clearer. Because whether men like it or not, attraction often begins before you ever open your mouth. 2. Women pay attention to your direction. The second thing women notice is this. Does your life feel like it's going somewhere? And this matters more than a lot of men want to admit, because women are not only asking, do I like him? Many times they are also asking, can this man handle life? Can he stay calm under pressure? Can he make decisions? Can he build something real? Can he carry responsibility without falling apart? That is what direction signals. And no, this doesn't mean you need to be rich, but it does mean your life needs to show movement. There is a huge difference between a man who is still building and a man who is simply drifting. A man who is not successful yet but has discipline, ambition, and focus still feels solid. But a man with no plan, no standards, and no urgency feels unstable. And women can feel that quickly. This is why so many men lose without understanding why. Not because they are bad men, but because their life has no momentum. And momentum is attractive. A man who is moving with purpose speaks differently, walks differently, chooses differently. He doesn't need to force confidence, because direction creates confidence naturally. So stop making women your mission. Make your mission your mission. Because when your life becomes stronger, you stop looking like a man who needs saving. And that changes everything. 3. Money is not everything, but it does speak. Now let's talk about the uncomfortable one. Money matters. Not in the shallow way bitter men complain about, but in a very real way. Because money often represents something deeper. It represents discipline, competence, stability, self-control. A man who can create value and manage his life usually carries himself differently than a man who is always struggling, always reacting, and always blaming the world. And women notice that. Not every woman wants a millionaire, but many women do care whether a man looks financially responsible. Because life is real, bills are real, stress is real, and if a woman sees that your life is always chaos, she may feel attraction at first, but long-term trust becomes harder. That's the part many men miss. Money by itself does not create love, but financial instability can absolutely destroy attraction. Because if your life feels unstable, you start showing it in your energy. You become anxious, needy, reactive, easily shaken, and all of that affects how women experience you. So the lesson is not be rich to get women. The lesson is become a man who can handle himself. Build your income, learn real skills, become more useful, become harder to replace. Because money doesn't just change your bank account, it changes your confidence, your choices, and the standards you allow in your life. 4. Women notice how other people see you. This is where a lot of men underestimate something powerful: social proof. Women don't only judge you based on private attraction, they also notice how the world responds to you. Do people respect you? Do people listen when you speak? Do you seem valued in your environment? Do you carry yourself like a man whose presence matters? That matters more than most men realize, because status is not just fame, it's not just followers, it's not just luxury. Real status is about respect. It's about whether your name carries weight somewhere. And that can come from many places: your work, your leadership, your confidence, your discipline, your competence, your reputation, even the way people greet you. This is why some men walk into a room and immediately feel more attractive than other men. Not because they are trying harder, but because they feel established, grounded, chosen by life. And that creates a powerful effect. Women are very sensitive to energy, and a man who looks respected often feels safer, stronger, and more desirable. The good news is this: status can be built. You build it by becoming excellent, by mastering something, by becoming dependable, by becoming useful, by becoming the kind of man whose absence would be felt. That is real presence. And once you build that, you stop looking for approval, because your life already gives you enough proof of who you are. 5. The biggest mistake men make is losing themselves. Now here's the final truth, and this is where most men go wrong. A lot of men spend their best years trying to become what women want, and in the process, they slowly stop being themselves. They become too available, too eager, too accommodating, too afraid to disappoint, too willing to bend their values just to keep a woman interested. And that is where attraction dies. Because the more a man tries to shape himself around constant female approval, the weaker he becomes. He stops leading, he stops choosing, he stops standing for something. And once that happens, women can feel it. Here's the truth: some women do not even know what they truly want. They want strength and softness, freedom and control, excitement and security, attention and mystery. And if you try to become everything for everyone, you will destroy your identity trying to keep up. That is why one of the strongest things a man can do is this: stop centering women. Not in a bitter way, not in an angry way, but in a disciplined way. Build your life. Know your standards. Know your values. Know what kind of woman actually deserves access to your time, energy, and attention. Because the goal is not to make every woman choose you. The goal is to become such a solid man that the wrong women no longer have the power to shake you. And that is real masculine confidence. So if you really want to understand how women choose men, remember this: they notice how you look. They study your direction. They pay attention to your money. They feel your status. And most importantly, they respond to whether you still act like a man who respects himself. Because at the end of the day, the men who win are not the men who chase the hardest. They are the men who build themselves first. And once you understand that, you stop moving through life like a man waiting to be chosen.